The nipple connects your compressor's air tank to the manifold. The steel nipple comes with thread sealant pre-applied, so it is ready to be installed. The most common issue with the nipple is accidental damage, often caused by the compressor falling or something falling on it. Replacing the nipple is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Before doing any work on your air compressor, it's a good idea to drain all of the air out of the tank. You can do that with the tank drain. Just open it up and let all the air drain out. I'll begin by removing the manifold cover. Next, I'll remove the hose clamp. The hose clamp will have to be cut free. Because the hose clamp has to be cut, it's not reusable. Now remove the pressure switch hose. Now remove the motor and pump assembly from the tank. Now I can remove the manifold from the tank. And I'll use a wrench to remove the nipple from the tank. Now I can install the new nipple. I'll thread it into place on the tank and then install the manifold. Now watch me resecure the motor assembly to the tank. I'll place the hose clamp over the pressure switch tube. Then I'll reinstall the tube onto the nipple on the manifold. I'll place the crimp clamp over the manifold nipple and secure it in place with a pair of N-nip pliers. I'll finish up by reinstalling the manifold cover. And that's how you can install a new nipple on your air compressor. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.